Hello, my name is Chris McKendry, and for my week 1 assignment, I will be showing you how to format cells where you change numbers to percents or currency, and you edit the number at decimal places, and you modify how negative numbers are displayed. I'll also be showing you how to fill in similar values, months, numbers, and sequences. Also insert, delete, or hide rows and columns, and freeze panes. So first, I will show you how to format numbers. 200. Oh, I already have it set here, so let's go to 200, 300. So you go here, you go to here, you have percentage, so you'll have a general number, so 100. Let me restart this. 200, 300. So if you highlight this, you can go here, you can change these to regular numbers, you can change it in currency, so you have dollars, change it to percentage. So I'm going to go back to currency right now. So we can also edit the number of decimal places here. You can use these digits, these buttons here, and then you can show them how the negative numbers are displayed. So you go here to go to more number format. You're in a category, you go to currency, and you have a negative, a generic negative, a red negative, parentheses, or parentheses red. So for this one, we'll just go parentheses red, hit OK. And if we type in negative 400 and enter, it'll show up like that. So that's how you format cells and numbers. Next, I will show you how to fill in sequences. So we'll start with Monday, and you want to just type in two things that are sequenced. Then I'm going to drag this down, and it'll populate all the way for you. And it will be the same with months. So I'll just show you months real quick. January, February, and same thing, you grab here and drag it, grab here, drag it down, you go all the way to December. So after that, I'll show you how to insert and delete columns and rows. So if you want to start here, you can insert, and it adds an additional row. So if you need to insert anything here, you can do that, and you could also do the same with deleting rows. Similarly with columns, if you look at row 11, you have November. If we want to insert here, we insert a row above, or do the same thing, double click, and you delete right here. And lastly is freezing panes. So if you go to view up here, you'll see on the top bar you have unfreeze panes, freeze top row, freeze first column. So for this one, we're going to just freeze the top row. So what this means is when you scroll down, so if you have more data all the way in this bottom, you'll still be able to see the top row. So we have our $100 currency, we have Monday, and we have January. And if you scroll back up, it still is there. And you highlight this row, or you just unfreeze panes, it goes away. So when you, as you see here, you scroll down, you're missing the 100 and the January and the months, or in the days. And that is it. So thank you.